Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do is today presents in Codeforces. So what the question is asking, you have to read just this line to understand. Okay. He numbered all his friends with integers from 1 to n. He means Patya. Numbered all his friends from 1 to n. Padre remembered that a friend number I gave a gift to a friend number pi. He also remembered that each of his friends received exactly one gift. Now Patya wants to know for each friends I the number of friends who have given him a gift. Okay, so he want to know like what the problem has mentioned to us. And there are n friends numbered from 1 to n. Every friends give exactly one gift. Every friends receive exactly one gift. Okay, so what we are given, we have given p and the size of n. Okay, like for example, as you can see in the example, there are total 4 friends who have given and received presents. Okay, so he want to map out who have given to whom a present and who have received from whom the present. Okay, so how we will solve it? Let's code it. So let's declare n scene. Okay, if no, this will be much better. If then we will declare a vector int array result int result n plus 1. Okay, let's zoom it a bit more and okay, so let's declare a for loop. Here we'll assign this giver from index 1 till till n. Okay, it will start from index 1 until n. Okay, there is no 0 friend, that's why I'm starting with 1. Okay, then we'll declare a variable receiver is equal to 0, then send receiver. Okay, then what we'll do, result in result vector array, we'll do something like receiver is equal to giver. So what we are doing over here, as you can see, receiver, we are taking receiver inputs as an index value. Okay, index from whom they have received, like from at index p 2 had received from giver 3. Okay, like that we have done. Then for loop, it will start from 1. Okay, there is a mistake little bit. Giver. Okay, then we will output the result dot I. We will get the friends who have received from the givers. Okay, we will get the receiver end, I mean a receiver who have received from the giver end. Okay, like just for example, just a second, see out here and here. GCC 136 hyphen a 136. Okay, 136 is an invalid version. Okay, now it's working. Then let's compile the code. Let's enter the test cases. So we got the correct answer. As you can see, like in this there are four friends. The givers are 2, 3 and 4. I mean the receivers are 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay, and the givers are 2 is 4. 4 has given 2 present, 1 has given 3 present, 2 had given 4 present, and 3 had given 1 present. Okay, so these are the giver ends who had given this this bunch of 4 individual gifts. Okay, so that's how code working. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. So yeah, thank you guys.